Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana attachments not uploading error. Many users face problems when attaching files to tasks, and it usually happens due to file size, browser issues, or network problems. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can prevent attachments from uploading. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 1, verify file size and format. Asana supports files up to 100 megabytes per attachment. Um, Large or unsupported file types may fail to upload. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache may block uploads. Go to browser settings greater than privacy and security and clear cache for Asana. Step 3, restart your browser or Asana app. Closing and reopening refreshes the session. Don't skip this step. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or security tools may interfere with file uploads. Turn them off temporarily and try again. Step 5, try incognito or private mode. This loads Asana without extensions or cached data. If uploads work here, an extension or cache was the problem. Step 6, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated versions may prevent proper uploads. Always use the latest Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Asana app. Finally, contact Asana support if attachments still fail. Share workspace, file details, and steps tried. Support can check server-side or account issues. So yeah, fixing Asana attachments not uploading is about checking internet, verifying file size, clearing cache, restarting the browser or app, disabling extensions, using incognito, updating software, and contacting support. Follow these steps, and attachments should upload normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.